we took all your items, we started categorizing them within sets. So right now, like this is all the stickers that we found that weren't in sets. They were kind of individual. So we have a sticker set, we have like your stamps that we started collecting, your hole punches, the cards you had made. So we try to collect everything with its friends, with its coworkers or its friends or its cousins, however you like to refer. Same, right? And then what we'll do is we'll go through it with the client. That way you can see, and in the craft room it's a little bit different, but if it was a closet, you could say like, oh, I have 6 white t-shirts. I only need one. Or like, this is my favorite white t-shirt. I don't need this one. So that's typically our process is you're going to sort it. So you're going to sort it into its categories. You're going to edit it. So you're going to go through it and decide, is this keep? Is this donate? Is this something I'm going to give to somebody? Can it just be tossed, recycled, repurposed? And then lastly, once you have edited your area, and that's, I think, the key point is we have a lot of things these days. So people need to just get rid of, and then that creates space for the things you want to keep. And then that's when you can organize things, because it's tough to organize when you have an abundance of things and things that you don't use, because when you're looking at it and going, okay, I'm going to organize this, but I don't really use this, so why do I want to put it here, you know?
Exactly.
So you just got to get that stuff out of your space, especially in a craft area or a space that you're going to be using actively. You want to have more room and accessibility. So we went through your paper boxes, most of them. So we have a box of Christmas, we have your Thanksgiving and your Halloween set up. We have all your donation boxes. We also have large paper that we've come across that weren't in sets. We have sets, and we have stickers. So now we're going to go through this pile of like miscellaneous stickers. Okay.
Awesome.
Cool. We have more down here. This is like little sets. So it looks like these are all, no.
Phase 1 has started. Woo! All right.
Yay.
Like it.
Okay, come on, and we're going to have you sit down, and we'll go through things slowly. We kind of just have the paperwork right now. Some of the stamps. This was basically the stuff on the floor. We typically like to go in spaces that have a lot going on the floor. We like to get that taken care of, and then that gives us some room to work on the other spaces.
Exactly.
Especially since you have quite a few categories here, because you have painting, you have the little pieces of paper, bigger pieces of paper, square than like the larger ones, and you have the stamps, and you also have the pre-made cards and everything. So we want to give each category its own containment until you're ready to use it again.
Great.
I make sure my hair looks good, you know.
Yes.
It always looks cute. Okay, here we go.
But this is the start of phase 2. All right. Let's finish this. So I had a small one with that, right? Yeah, so let's donate that. Okay. Donate that. Donate that. Keep. Keep. Now I had another one. I'd rather keep that one and get rid of the other one. Does that make sense?
She had one.
Remember the one
like
that looks like
that.
this? Only this is thicker. Yeah, donate that one.
Donate this. I found
And
it.
keep this one. Thank you. And this is really cool for a man's card.
Oh, that is cool.
And a graduation. Keep that.
Donate. Last few things in here.
Other than.
Do you have more of these somewhere?
No, that's it.
That
No,
little
that's
pile
it.
was it.
That's
Okay,
it.
fabulous. And then what goes with this? Like, how do you do it?
You
Is
put
there
it
a
in
roller?
through the die cut machine and it. Okay,
And
let
where
me
is
see if
that?
I can make a. The die cut machine's right there.
Oh, okay, that's what that is. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, down there. Okay, you bring that over here. That's good. Okay, we went through the things. I'll have you go through the stamps.
Okay.
Well, we can go through. Let's do these loose.
These are called peg stamps.
Because this mat was on your desk. Is this
Yes.
keeping?
Yes.
Staying? Okay.
Yes.
Staying. I didn't wipe it down, but I did wipe down the desk.
I will.
And the blue bag
Yes, that
you
is
use.
my when I go to I fill it up with my stuff for class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just traveling. Okay. Now, let's do some of these. These were in your painting cabinets.
Yes,
So you have
this
your
is-
painting cup.
Painting.
I really debated leaving this in But my painting stuff is part of my craft stuff. I have watercolor as well as acrylic, but I ended up getting rid of a lot more than I thought I would. So that's a good thing.
Oh yeah, it's cool. Yes. The green indicates how many times, how much you want to set it for.
Okay, let's do it because we have
An hour.
45 minutes.
Okay, there you go.
Try to edit the rest of this.
Okay.